you go back in history, a coprocessor in Intel speak was a numeric coprocessor which had an extended instruction set relative to the x86. And what Convey is all about is adding instructions also, but the very application specific. We call those instructions personality, and one personality, the personalities are mutually exclusive. So at this point we have a handful of personalities. Each personality is viewed as an instruction set extension.
With our coprocessor, we have the ability to have fairly generic personalities, in which case you have vectorizing personalities. These vectorizing personalities are more of your classic kind of vector personality. You have a load that goes into the register file, you have some operations on it, and then you can store it out. This is something that a compiler has understood how to do for quite some period of time now. One of the things that we have, since we have application-specific personalities, is we can add additional instructions to these personalities, and the personality is tailored to an application then. And by doing that, these specialized instructions can take, significant aspects of that routine and drop them essentially right down onto the hardware. An example would be if you had a personality that needed to do very good FFTs. Instead of implementing those FFTs as a set of instructions, like traditional computers do, you could have one instruction that says, do an FFT. And you wouldn't do that on a general purpose processor because it would take too much dedicated resource to do that. But if you're doing an application-specific personality, then this is one of the typical things that you would do in order to really get good performance on that application.